Hey guys, welcome. Today we are at my friend's Jacob's house.
He's embarrassed.
He's embarrassed. Okay, and I'm here with
Hi.
Aaron.
I'm a YouTuber,
Patel.
but I've got a shit channel.
Yeah.
So shit, because my camera is so shit.
I'm about to be
use-
killed. That's nice. There's.
But if you're wondering why my videos are so shit, it's because I use this shitty phone.
That just landed on my dick.
so bad.
That just landed on my dick. Right there. See that? Oh, God.
Wait, pass over the camera.
Bitch. Right, so Aaron's going to show you some stuff. I know what.
I'm going to show you some stuff. Shitty's about to kill me. Where is he? Get him in camera. No, I want Jacob. Hello, there's Jacob.
My name's Bob.
This is his house.
We're at his house.
No.
This is like KFC.
KFC. Sick.
Storm lightning. We got this slob.
I'm gonna sit down because I feel like it. You feel like sitting down. So proud, motherfucker.
Okay, so this is kind of a vlog thingy.
A vlog thingy. Alright, Edward, come here. Edward. Jacob, stay in your room. Get a gun. 1 minute.
Go downstairs for this.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Can we have a bullet, please? Just 1 bullet.
Totally not suspicious.
Totally not suspicious. Yeah. They're in here, aren't they?
Still going.
Yeah. Oh, hurry up. I want to get this bullet.
Also, guys, I'd just like to thank you for
Yeah, you've got
70 views.
subscribers.
70 views, and we're at 5 subscribers, so that's great.
Oh yeah, check out my channel because I only have 2 subscribers.
Me and Edward.
Come down.
Shit, he took a bullet.
Dual wield. I've got a bullet. Jacob, you've got to stay up there. Alright, we're gonna play a prank on Jacob, and then you're gonna run out and shoot him. Put it under your thing again. Put it on. We got a Nerf bullet. We got some pretty sick Nerf things. The bullet's not in properly. So put it under your thing. Put it under your thing. I know. I'll be surprised. Oh.
Damn it. I don't think this thing's gonna stay. He's coming for
One's
us.
for you and one's for you. You got shot in the face. Why?
Shit.
Okay, show the hostage!
Show the hostage! Get him hostage!
I died.
Okay, guys, we're gonna show you hostage. I've learned skills, guys. I'm a trained military kind of
Weird. No kill, no kill. I'm out dry. Oh, I just grabbed the sword. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I'm falling onto a Nerf bloody gun.
Where's my baseball bat?
Okay, guys, this is gonna do it for this episode. This is a vlog.
Oh yeah, we'll be uploading 1 through the night and 1 in the morning.
Gonna upload 1 in the night. I'm gonna.
Maybe 2 in the night.
So this is the night. This is the night before you probably watch on YouTube because
It won't be uploaded till the morning.
my tablet takes ages to upload. This is it for today.
Because he's got a shit Asus thing.
Kind of
and he's about to
YouTuber.
fucking stab me.
Kind of a YouTube gathering thing here.
I've got a fucking thing.
But
Has Jacob even got a channel?
No.
Okay,
ending.
Jacob doesn't like YouTube that much. So.
Okay, guys. So I will see you next time. There'll be 1 tonight, and goodbye.